Hello guys, how you doing? As a small YouTuber, I did sub for sub, and today I want to share with you my experience. If you follow me from the beginning to the end, you'll be able to make an informed decision if you should do sub for sub or not, because I'm going to be showing you my entire result. Okay, so my result will be able to help you make a better decision. My channel was growing gradually. As you can see, the small channel growing gradually. For those of you that don't know what sub for sub is, sub for sub simply means subscribe to my channel, I subscribe to your channel. And the easy way to do that is to drop a comment in your comment section, and another YouTuber will come, comment on it, then follow that comment to your channel, and then subscribe to your channel. Very good. So I got up to 52 subscribers, and I discovered from 52 subscribers, it came down to 50 subscribers. From 50 subscribers, it went up to 51 subscribers. Okay. After 51 subscribers, I woke up this morning, it's now 47 subscribers. And I'll be explaining why. All right. Now, the subscription I got from this sub for sub were actually removed. They were removed. You understand? Because YouTube algorithm is trained, it's AI. It knows that you picked a comment, or you went from a comment section to this particular channel. And when you got there, the only thing you did was to subscribe and you left. So you didn't really engage with the channel. So he knows that this one is a fraudulent act because it's not permitted by YouTube policy. So the AI has been trained to trace those kind of movement and remove them because it's against the policy. You understand? So that was what happened to the subscribers I had. Now, if you now want to think about it, is it really worth it? Because you're going through all of those troubles to make your channel grow, but they have been removed overnight because you didn't get them through the right procedure. Now, this is what I'm going to conclude on. Me, based on my channel now, it's better to grow organically. Allow your channel grow. Allow your videos attract the relevant audience. That way, you are building a stronger community that are really interested in your videos. Because those people you are calling sub for sub, they are not interested in your videos. They are not interested. They're only interested in gaining 1,000 subscribers. And you see, in the long run, it will backfire because even if you happen to now get 1,000 subscribers, who will now be your viewers? They will not come to view because they didn't come to view in the first place. And that is the reason for YouTube. YouTube is a community made for videos, different kind of content, you understand? So if you now get subscription and nobody is watching, it's a waste of time. So at the end of the day, you will not even get monetized because nobody will come to watch your videos. And let me also give you this other tip. Even if you get monetized by those other means, they will not still come. So you will not make any money. So maybe you'll be getting, your views will be very, very low. So if you have stayed with me to this point, why not give the video a like and subscribe to the channel so that you can keep having healthy tips that will help you grow your YouTube channel.